switch to in a minute, hit transition, and you can even like load full video files and stuff in here. So if you want to like basically run this like a production, you can actually do that. That's why OBS Studio is actually really cool. You can run your stream like a daggum production and make it look like actually I have my intro loaded into OBS, so if I want to like just flash my intro, I can do that. I just basically switch to the scene that has a video file and open it, and then it just plays my intro. And then once it's done, right before it's done, I cut back to the feed of my Xbox. So, you know, you can do a lot of pretty cool stuff with OBS when you play with it. So you can make as many scenes you want, blah blah, make scene 2, scene 4, and you can have separate sources for all of them. And so if you want to add a source, we'll say display capture. You can also re-add a source if you already have it on another scene to make it quicker to, you know, throw another one back in there so we can monitor, because we already have one stuff to monitor. And then once I'm ready, I just transition in and boom, there we go. I'm going to kick back to scene 1, boom, we're back in scene 1. Alright, we're going to transition it, boom! And that's actually even kind of some more advanced stuff. So typically, studio mode is turned off by default. You just click and change the scene. Yeah, you know. But we're going to give you a little demonstration. And then once you got everything set up, ready to go, to start recording, you just simply hit start recording. And just so you guys can see a fully functional, fully set up scene and sources and all that good stuff. This is my source I use, like say, Audio Technica. If I need to display my notepad real quick, I can. Display capture, which is capturing my actual display. As you can see, like say, the constant OBSception going on in my screen preview here. And then I can also capture Chrome if I need to by itself. And then if I want to say, let's start watch real quick. And so if I want to switch over from my PC capture source over to say my PC game source, which I currently have Overwatch loaded on right now, I can do that by clicking PC game, switch the scene over, and then it loads whatever game is playing, which right now there it goes. It takes a second to initialize. So we got Overwatch on there. So there we go. We have the Overwatch game on there. If I want to switch back, I switch right back. Simple as that. Like I said, this is kind of what a fully set up one looks like. So it's not too crazy. Anyway, so like I said, you just gotta kind of play with it and customize it, you know, to see how it fits your needs. You know, you have to customize it a little bit based on, you know, the performance of your machine, what you have on your computer, your bandwidth, all that good stuff. And that's really, like I say, that's how I learned how to do this myself. I just, you know, play with it. You know, I broke a few things. Like I say, my stream won't work a few times. I, you know, went back, tweaked a few more settings, and like I say, I did it, you know, to the best of my ability. You know, you just gotta play with it a little bit. And one thing I will point out too, actually, since I have this page up, is if you see my CPU utilization right here, you see I'm not, you know, it's not giving me any kind of errors down here in the lower left, like it was when you were running on the VM. And so actually, you know, this is because I'm running on the hardware encoder, so it's not using that much, you know, my CPU power. It's my graphics card is mostly taking over, you know, doing all the number crunching and stuff in the background. And so, like I say, if you have an NVIDIA GPU and you can use an NVENC, I always miss it. I always say it wrong. NVENC encoder. That's the hardware-based ones, but you know, that comes from your NVIDIA graphics card. I highly recommend using that because it will make a massive, very noticeable difference on your CPU load. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you, like I say, want some assistance, like I say, I can try to help you out any way I can. You know, leave a comment, like it if you liked it, dislike it if you hated this video. You know, and tell me, you know, what you want. So put in the comments, you know, what you liked about, what you didn't like about, what you'd like me to do differently on the next videos, and you know, we'll go from there. You know, I listen to you guys' feedback. So you know, if you want some more tutorials like this, I may do some on like some basic editing stuff. I can do some on pretty much anything. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one.
You hardly know the stuff you say that.
You just shouldn't settle for what's expected.
I don't.
I didn't say that.
I'm trying to be slick. I'm trying to block you.
So you two